Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, so I've got a little sketch for you today. It's taken from a photo from a photographer called Leonard Mizon. I've done several of his photos before and turned them into drawings. This one is a nice little river scene, and I'm sketching this one out in my A5 Sea White sketchbook. It's not the watercolour travel journal, it's the cartridge paper, the drawing paper, A5 sketchbook. Quite a nice little sketchbook. I'll leave links for this in the description below. This one was done for my Patreons, and I've done quite a few sketches in this sketchbook, keeping them fairly simple, fairly quick, especially for beginners, intermediates, and people that haven't got much time on their hands. These are ideal. They only take a couple of hours. You can get some nice results with some of the techniques that I'm using here. And I'll guide you through every step of the drawing over on my Patreon channel. It's only £3.50 a month to join. In fact, Patreon have just kind of changed the layout of their page a little bit, and I noticed at the top they're now putting how many videos you post a month, how many you average out, and apparently I'm averaging 21 videos per month, and I think, wow, for £3.50, 21 videos a month, that's got to be a bargain, hasn't it? And not only that, you'll also get access to over 1,000 other videos as well, all drawing and painting tutorials, some mixed media, some ink work. There's quite a nice varied selection of media over there, coloured pencils as well. Too much to mention really. The best thing to do is go over there and check it out. If you don't like it, you don't have to sign up. And also you're not committed to anything either, so if you pay £3.50 for the first month, if you don't like it you can just cancel the next month. You're not tied into anything, but I'm sure you'll enjoy it over there. I've got members that have been with me right from the very start, from many years ago. They joined when I very first started my Patreon, and they're still with me today. And people are making friends over there on the community section, sharing their artwork, and everybody sort of commenting and contributing. It's a really friendly, nice place to be. And if you need any help or any advice, I'm always there, so you can always ask questions. I'm always happy to help if I can. I've been drawing and painting for over 30 years, and I've gained quite a lot of experience and come up with quite a lot of techniques in that time, and I'm more than happy to share them with you over on my Patreon channel. Okay, so I guess that's probably the Patreon plug out of the way. Right, so one of the things that I often get asked is, why do I always use a magnifying glass when I'm drawing? Have I got bad eyesight? The answer to that is no, I've got really good eyesight actually. I don't need to wear glasses other than for reading, and I do wear glasses when I'm drawing, but I don't need prescription glasses or anything like that. My eyesight's fine. It's just that I find using a magnifying glass helps me to relax a lot more. Instead of hyper focusing and straining with your eyes for hours on end, using a magnifying glass just makes things a little bit bigger, and it seems to cause less eye strain. You don't get headaches or things like that. When you've been straining for a long time on a drawing, you can come away, your eyes are sort of a little bit sore and you've got a bit of a headache or whatever, if you've been overdoing it. But using a magnifying glass kind of alleviates all of that. I've just found it's one of those little things that has really helped me over the years, particularly with fine detail. I mean, obviously it's going to help you to see a lot clearer, fine detail and things like that. But just for general use, just for fairly small drawings, it just helps you to be more comfortable when you're drawing, I think. I know most artists, they don't use magnifying glasses, but honestly, I wouldn't be without mine. As soon as I used it, I thought, wow, this really has made a difference. I can draw for longer, I can see a lot more what's going on in the drawing, I can keep my edges clean, get nice sharp fine detail. It's been a real helpful bit of kit. Anyway, we're at the end of the drawing now. Hope you like this one. If you do, Always appreciate a thumbs up, and I always read your comments and try and answer as many as I possibly can. Okay, so thanks for viewing everyone. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.